Hi, and welcome to this week's edition of the Rugged Rundown. And I'm going to talk about some hidden features that you probably don't know about in the Panasonic Toughbook CF-33. And some of the features, well, you may know, you may not know, but did you know that the buttons right here that are labeled A1 and A2 are configurable, and you're able to use them to open up a particular software app or maybe a feature in Windows 11 app or whatever you need to open in Windows 11, you can program these two buttons. The other interesting piece of this is some configurations, and you need to check your CF-33, may have GPS built in. There's nothing on the outside that will tell you you have GPS. You will have to look for it in the drivers, the taskbar, and that sort of thing to see if you have it. But most editions come with the dedicated GPS built into the laptop. Even the antennas are built into the tablet part as well. Some other interesting features is the touch screen. Did you know that it's daylight readable screen? So we can put this in bright sunlight and you'll be able to see this screen. It also has a rain mode. That's right. So if I'm out in the elements, wherever that may be, and I'm looking to do some touch screen work, but it's drizzling on my screen because this is, got some water resistance to it. A normal touch screen would take that rain as someone trying to touch the screen, and so the mouse would go crazy. But in rain mode, it knows better and only reacts to your finger. That's a really, really nice feature when it comes to touchscreen. It also has glove touch mode, so if you're wearing gloves, you can still use the touchscreen. There's also a little known feature which is concealed mode, so that if you want to be concealed, you don't want a bright light coming off your screen, you can push I think it's the F12 button. You'll be able to push that and it will go dark so that nobody can see that you're on your laptop. Those are some of the features that are hidden. I haven't mentioned them all, but this is a few of them. Let me know what you think in the comments, and if you know of any other hidden features. Like this video, subscribe to the channel, and I'll see you guys next week.